Hi, this is Sharon Davis with homebaking.org and a short take on mise en place, the first fundamental of getting started in baking. First, read the recipe. This one's the buttermilk banana bread on our website, and you're going to check for all the tools and ingredients that you have or don't have and before you start. When you look at pans, are they the right size? Do they need to be greased before you ever begin anything else? Are you going to be measuring liquids? Use liquid measuring cups. Do the bananas need to be mashed ahead? And how about the eggs? Are they large or medium? Usually they're large. The dry ingredients may need to be scaled and put into one bowl and whisked together to blend them. And the butter and sugar might need to be creamed ahead. So be sure that's in a separate bowl too. From there, you're going to look at the oven temperature and be sure you're preheating the oven and that you have a cooling rack and a thermometer to measure interior temperature when you're done. Don't forget the dry pot holders, and you're ready to begin. Happy baking, and we'll see you at homebaking.org.